1.
Hello, Cardinals. This is Mr. Mon, and we're going to be talking about Lesson 5, Getting Started. Lesson 5 is all about ocean currents, and our focus question for the entire lesson is, how do temperature, salinity, and wind affect ocean currents? On page 28, we're going to put our objectives, and on page 29 are our vocabulary. Our introduction for Lesson 5 reads as follows. Early explorers encountered and used ocean currents to navigate the globe. These days, because of temperature sensors and buoys that float at fixed depths, scientists can track currents through Earth's oceans. The ocean's surface currents are produced and guided by winds. Currents below the ocean's surface are stirred by Earth's uneven heating. In different places, the ocean's surface waters may be warmer or cooler, saltier or fresher. These differences in temperatures and salinity are two major driving forces of the deep ocean currents. Earth's rotation, the configuration of coastlines and the ocean floor, temperature, salinity, winds, and gravity determine the strength, size, and direction of ocean currents. Like currents of the air in Earth's atmosphere, ocean currents help to move heat and salt around the globe. In this lesson, you will investigate the effects of temperature, salinity, and wind on ocean currents. So for the Getting Started lesson, we're going to focus on objective number 1. We're going to use a model to explore how unequal heating of Earth affects temperatures at the poles and the equator. The vocabulary are right in front of you. You're going to want to skip a line between each. Ocean currents, surface currents, and salinity are all on page 64. Currents, Gulf Stream, upwelling, El Nino are on 68 and 69, and how air moves and how water moves are both on 74. So for the first part, we're just going to be talking about collecting data and observations, and remember to follow your teacher's instructions. We might be discussing a few things as a group with some previous investigations. For step 2, you're going to look at the lamp and a globe that the teacher has set up for you. You're going to be talking about how bright you think the lamp is at the equator versus the middle latitudes versus the poles. And a lot of this is going to go back to things you've learned in social studies. Step 3, we're going to be, when the lamp is turned on, like in figure 5.2 below, we're going to be answering 3A through 3G, just thinking about the globe, how it's brighter in some areas, what it's like at the equator, what it's like at the poles, thinking about how the sun affects Earth's surface. Step 4, you're going to be putting your hand on the globe to check out what areas are the coolest and warmest, and we'll be answering questions related to that. And finally, step 5, we're going to explain whether or not you think convection currents are in the ocean, and we'll record your answer and discuss it as a class. So, lesson 5, steps 1 through 5 today. When you get time, you're going to be doing the vocabulary on page 64. And if you get time, we're going to prep for tomorrow, which is investigation 5.1, reading both ocean currents and how trade winds cause upwelling. If you have any questions, let your teacher know, and have a great day, Cardinals.